Speaking of in-ear earbuds, professional grade in-ear style earbuds. You recall this French company, Devialet. We featured their speakers on the channel on a number of occasions. They have these crazy alien-looking wireless Bluetooth speakers or Wi-Fi connected speakers. And it's been a woe a couple different times that I feature these products on the channel. It's been a big woe. They've done some amazing things with portable speakers and portable speaker tech. Well, they're going to get into the wireless earbud business with a very slender looking Devialet wireless earbud. It's called Devialet Gemini in earbuds, which will feature active noise cancellation. They will not be cheap, probably around $300, and they're coming in a couple of weeks. They are also going to have this pass-through capability so you can hear your surroundings, the stuff you would expect on a premium earbud. You can see the way the case works. So it looks like kind of a nice, subtle design, although that case looks a bit large, not going to lie, as far as the pocket is concerned. The earbuds, on the other hand, look tiny. If you go scroll up to the top image, that's a tiny little earbud right there. With the looks pretty slick. You can choose between 3 levels of active noise cancellation and 2 levels of transparency mode. That's the pass-through to hear your surroundings, which I love that feature. There's going to be a mobile app to control. Of course, you would also have voice assistant likely baked into this. Plus, apparently the earbud's going to be able to tell if you have a good fit with the ear tip that you've selected, so you can get the optimal experience. And say, hey, you want to try out this other tip? You could do a little sound test. Everybody's ears are a bit different the way it fits. They're promising 8 hours of battery life without noise canceling and 6 hours with. You have the case providing 3.5 charges. It works with Qi-enabled wireless chargers, also USB-C. So Devialet expanding.
Yeah.
Expanding, and maybe we're going to get our hands on this. I'm curious about it. I don't expect to be blown away to the level with the wireless speaker because it's just there weren't too many players in that ultra premium wireless speaker space, and they just took a totally different approach. As far as the earbuds go, it's hyper competitive, man. Yeah, look at the expression. You see? It shocked me, man, when I first heard the level of bass, because it's a small thing you just put on the desk. And it feel like a stereo over there.
It also looks very alien.
Very alien. Yeah. Oh, the whole way you interact with it, the noises, it has a very science fiction feel. I hope they bring that same kind of branding in the app and whatnot to the earbuds also. But yeah, we'll get them in here. I'll test them out. Maybe they'll blow me away. I don't know.